This video is a little off topic today. I normally talk about how to make money online, but today I'm talking about how to turn your hobby into a full-time job. And the reason I know all about that is because I did have a hobby that I turned into a full-time job back in 2013. I went full-time. I am a professional miniature sculptor. I sculpt miniatures for games, kind of like Dungeons and Dragons, not for Dungeons and Dragons, but like tabletop role-playing style games. And I make the little figures that go with the games. Like if you play Monopoly, the little pieces, somebody sculpted the original piece, then they made a mold of it, and they casted it, and they mass produced it. But somebody had to make that first one. Same with the action figures you see in the stores. That's what I did. I took my hobby of just making little toys and little sculptures. I turned it into a full-time job. Been doing that for over a decade, and I really enjoy it. And I've noticed, talking to people over the years, they have things that they would love to be able to do. Whether they'd love to be able to draw professionally, or, I don't know, pottery or something, whatever it is. I've had plenty of people over the years talk to me about how they wish they could turn their hobby into a job. Because they say if you love what you do, you never work a day in your life. I'm not sure I totally believe that, but it definitely, the work is much more enjoyable. So the first thing that I did was I got good at my craft. Make sure that you're getting good at it and putting your time into that. I think I decided to go pro before I was really probably even ready, but that was just how I felt. Other people were telling me, obviously, because they were paying for it, that I was ready. So get that attention on yourself, get that craft going, and then this day and age, you should definitely have a YouTube channel or something like that to help promote yourself. It wasn't that big of a deal back then when I first started. I think I first started sculpting when around the time YouTube was coming out. So this social media stuff was still kind of new. Everybody wasn't just doing it. So you want a social media channel to promote your work, kind of like a portfolio. I think mine was DeviantArt back in the day, which is still up out there somewhere. But I started to, sorry, I'm on a walk and I'm like losing my breath and there's this random dog walking around me. But I started to, I decided that after a while of doing these little sculptures, like they were starting to look pretty good. And I don't mean that conceitedly. Is that a word? I don't mean that in a conceited way. I just mean that I was starting to realize that my little hobby was starting to look pretty professional. And so I decided I'd start going to conventions and meet the professionals. That's key number one to turning your hobby into a full-time job. You can go and meet professionals at conventions. Whatever it is that you do, probably within driving distance, a day's driving distance, somewhere during the year, there is going to be a convention somewhere for your hobby. There is. And what you need to do is go to these conventions and go in these lines or whatever they are and tell everybody that you see that is professional, everybody you get to talk to, you get autographs signed, whatever it is that's happening at this. I'm not sure how all conventions are, but tell these people, hey, I'm interested in doing this professionally. If you have some of your work, show it to them. This is what I did. And I ended up being friends with a professional and having a good relationship that helped me to, boost my career because he gave me guidance and he helped me to understand the what to do in that particular, I guess they call it niche or niche nowadays. And that's what I did. I just listened to his guidance and started making sure I was working on my craft, and eventually I got my own first commission, which was half the price it should have been for a company that was not very reputable, but it gave me a professional job to be able to start seeking more professional jobs. And I have done miniatures for some of the best known miniature companies in the world, like Reaper Miniatures. And I've even worked for Noble Collection, which is, I did some Harry Potter jewelry actually for them, some like little charms and stuff for bracelets for J.K. Rowling's nonprofit called Loomis. And I have not just had successes, I've had failures. Did a Batman sculpture once. Nobody's ever seen it or heard of it. It was supposed to be a officially licensed thing, and then I did it for them, and they never made it. And that's happened plenty of times before. And you're gonna have failures, you're gonna have roads, you're gonna have hiccups. If you go and you try to talk to professionals on your first time and it doesn't work, don't worry about it. You'll get them on the next one. Maybe you're not totally ready yet, maybe whatever. I mean, you could try emailing these people. It's pretty easy to get sent to spam. I would still go with the old fashioned, go and talk to people. You know what I'm saying? Like go and say hi. That worked for me. So, but turning a hobby into a full-time job only works though if you're very committed. And do not quit your other full-time job first. And if you're living with your parents or something like that, this is the perfect time to hone that skill. I was in college when I was honing that skill and really getting it kind of sharpened. And then I started in the business world. I had a degree in radio television, started working in radio. And I went to communications after that. And on my lunch breaks, I was sculpting these little miniatures, and I just kept working at it. And before you know it, it was looking professional, and that's when I started deciding I'd do something professional with it. I hope my story has helped you. If it has not, comment your questions in the bottom. Like the video, subscribe for more content. I usually do videos on how to make money online, but turning your hobby definitely can be one of those things, turning it into a full-time job. And if you want to know how you can take your hobby and really make money with it on YouTube, got a great video on that right here.